welcome back to another vlog here. I am on the GoPro today because I have one goal in mind today. I'm by the Rayburn Gap train station. It was a highly requested vlog that I am doing for you all. I'm going to marathon in 1 hour. See how many times I can ride Scream Machine. Oh my goodness. Hopefully you guys are ready because I'm ready to bring this to you. Hopefully my back doesn't hurt too much, but we're gonna have some fun today. The time is 12:12 right now. When we get over there, we're gonna start and see how many times we're gonna ride Scream Machine in 1 hour. Wish me luck. With that being said, let's go on an adventure. All right, here we go. So Scream Machine is right here, okay? It is starting to slowly rain. It is 12:20 right now, 12:20. All right, let's get in the queue and see how we can do. So they're only running one train right now. So that is the problem, and it's slowly starting to drizzle. Hopefully we can get some rides in, more than one. We shall see. Look at this water puddle right here. Ah! All right, see you when I get on. All right, going up the lift hill. We have a first timer here on Scream Machine. All right, you can see Blue Hawk right there. We're almost at the top. My advice for her was just to hold on. Here we go. And the next drop. It's so rough. Great view. There we're going. That's one down right now, going back around to get in the queue to go on it again. Beautiful day now. Getting in the queue line once again, walking around. It's not as many people as last time, but we're going around. Somebody just said as I was walking by, it's 12:36, so that took a while, but hey, not too bad. Like I said, doing it for an hour, trying a different row this time. All right, you can see a little bit of a backup right there, not too bad. Sunny day now, I like that, good. So it started to rain, but we're doing better now. There we go again. I'm on the third to last row here. Going up the lift hill once again. Hopefully gets a little smoother. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! It was much better. Jeez, the line is backed up all the way back here. Going for my third try, but we got to get up in there. So we're moving along. The issue is with the backup is that people aren't moving down to the back of the train. So they're just waiting for the front, and it's kind of causing quite a delay, especially with single train ops. So just got off the third time. Let me check the time to see how much time we have left in this hour-long challenge and then go from there. That wasn't bad that time. It's warming up a bit. I started at 12:20. The time is now, you can see right there, it is 1:14. 1:14, probably have time for one more ride since I'm already in the queue. Roughly 1:20, 1:21. We're gonna see what we can get, see if we can get front row. It's gonna be a longer wait, but this is pretty much the last ride in the hour. That's pretty crazy, but fun. If I'm not mistaken, I said that it was 1:14. I showed it was 1:14. This was gonna be my last ride. All right, so it was 1:14. I'm gonna go over here. It was 1:14 in the afternoon, PM. I got in the queue for that last ride. Then they had a few trains ahead of me, of course, single train ops. Then right before I was about to get on, they let a full train go on from the flash pass line. A full train, which is crazy, a full train. So I had to wait again, and then look at the time, I just got off. The time is 1:46. It is 1:46 right now. That took a little over 30 minutes just to get on that last time. That is absolutely crazy. You can see splash waterfalls right here, but I'm gonna go around and look at Mindbender to see if we can see a little bit testing. But yeah, overall we did it an hour, only 4 times in 1 hour. That's nuts. I thought it would be more, but single train ops, one train, and it somewhat got busy. So yeah, we did it. How do I feel? I feel good. My back doesn't hurt. First one like cracked my back and I'm like, good, I don't have to pay for a chiropractor or anything. But all was good, had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that though, with the POVs too as well, but had a lot of fun. But all is good, we had a lot of rides on it, and yeah, just a good day. No worries whatsoever. So after waiting a while, they're just doing a little maintenance over there. Nothing yet on the trains. They usually run it a little bit later. It's almost 2 o'clock. So they usually run it around closer to 6 p.m. So towards the end of the day. So I won't be here that long today, but we will be back to do something special in regards to Mindbender. Not a tour or anything, but something nice. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all this. Nothing new, but I'll put in this clip right here for you guys to see. They have been doing some testing, so that's pretty cool. So we're looking at probably September at the latest. I'm saying at the latest. So hopefully we get some good news with this announcement, because testing is a really good sign. Super long line for Birds of Prey Cafe right now. Truly always has been, and I guess will be, the busiest section of the whole park. The busiest, Gotham City. So real quick, they are setting up right here to do, I didn't even know this bench was here, but they're setting up to do another show. I'll be talking about this a little bit later on in another video, another vlog, because they are bringing back more shows, like 4 or 5 of them, so that is a really, really good thing. They were just doing a little breakdance practice here, team practice up here, because I believe they have a show. Well, here we go. We're gonna catch it right now. Here we go, breakdancing right here. I was on, hey, Hey, do your thing.
Incredible.
Yes, no problem. Good job. What an honestly amazing way to end the day. Wow, like seriously, such a great park day today. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Six Flags Over Georgia for this ride challenge brought on by you guys. Thank you for recommending it. I did what I set out to do, which was to ride Scream Machine as many times as I could, Batman there behind me, for an hour straight. We did it only 4 times. The last time was kind of ridiculous, but we got it done. And also, we checked out a brand new show, new for 2021, that just happened. Wow, we caught it just in time. But there we go, Batman. But wow, thank you guys so much for joining me here on this adventure today. We have so much more to come. That was really fun yet again. Again, I feel good, my back doesn't hurt or anything. But guys, thank you guys so much. Subscribe if you guys are new. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Let's get there, guys. We can get there very, very soon. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you are new. Once again, thank you guys so much for joining me. To my next video, my next adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.